Welcome to today's picnic vlog. We're excited to spend the day outdoors.
And practice English with you. We'll learn new words, enjoy beautiful nature, and have fun together. Let's get started.
What a beautiful day for a picnic.
Yes, let's find a nice place under the trees.
This looks like the perfect spot for our picnic.
Great, let's spread out the blanket and relax.
I packed sandwiches, fruit, and some cookies. Would you like some fresh lemonade? I'm really glad we came here today. I'm glad we brought enough.
I told you. Everything is perfect.
Tina, I noticed you always bring a book when we go on a picnic. Do you enjoy reading outdoors more than reading at home?
Yes, I do. The fresh air and quiet surroundings help me relax and focus and...
Tina, look at that little squirrel. It's eating an apple so happily.
Do you think squirrels always find their own food in parks?
They even hide food in different places so they can find it later when they need it.
Max, that flower crown looks perfect on you.
I never thought I would, but sometimes trying something new can make an ordinary day much more memorable. Tina, look at those clouds. What shape do you see?
I see a big rabbit! It's fun how clouds can look like so many different things.
How would you describe today's sunset?
I would say it's colorful, peaceful, and unforgettable.
We packed everything, and we didn't leave any trash behind.
Because keeping parks clean protects nature and helps everyone enjoy them.
It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. We're finally back home. I'll unlock the door.
Great! Let's go inside and get some rest.
After we put everything away, we can relax for a while.
Thanks for watching today's vlog. We hope you enjoyed spending the day with us and learned some new English expressions.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching Miss Easy English. See you in our next video.